Everyone, welcome back. Consider a scenario where you wanted to create a Stripe payment link within your Stripe account for a given opportunity. Once the payment link has been generated, you wanted to store the same information within Salesforce under the opportunity record. Then you wanted to create a task, assign it to the opportunity owner so that the generated payment link can be sent to the primary contact associated to the account. At the same time, you also wanted to see the entire information within your AI tool like Claude. Now in this demo, I'm going to basically showcase you the power of Salesforce MVP and Headless 360. We are going to take the same scenario where we will be creating a payment link for an opportunity, storing it within Salesforce, drafting an email, and everything without me doing anything. I've just written in the natural language and it is going to do everything for me. Before I go ahead, let me show you my opportunity, which is as SLA. Within this opportunity, there is no payment link as of now, and there is no task associated with that opportunity. Now let's go to Claude and boom. We have just asked the Claude, we have given the prompt to the Claude. Now Claude is going to basically find out everything. It's going to do the query on opportunity. It is going to create the payment link in the Stripe. Then it is going to create the payment link record within Salesforce related to the opportunity and account, draft an email, show me the drafted version of the email, and then also display all the details within the Claude chat window. Now consider that you are a sales rep or you are developing this solution for your client where your client don't even need to log into Salesforce and everything is there available in their fingertips and they can do it everything from the Claude. Now you can see that it has taken some time, but it did a lot of work for us. It has identified the opportunities, account, their related contacts. It did a lot with the Stripe API, drafted an email for me, and this is the email that it has drafted. As I said that, ask the approval before you send it. If you want, you can ask the edits. Otherwise, I would say, yes, go ahead and send it. Now, before I basically send this, or let's basically hit enter, and in the meantime Claude is doing the work. Let's get back to Salesforce. Currently there is nothing in the Stripe payment link. If I click on the hyperlink, you will see that there is a payment link which has been generated for 60,000 USD. If you get back to the opportunity as SLA, you will see that is the same amount. You will also see that there is a task which has been assigned to the opportunity owner. It is associated with the primary contact of the opportunity. The description is also there. The proper description has been there. Payment link is there. And this is basically the link which needs to be sent to the customer where the customer is going to make the payment. As we said that, just go ahead and send the email. Claude does not has the direct capability to send the email through the email. So Claude has drafted that email. The email is basically going to be available under the draft for my authenticated Gmail account. And finally, we have got the summary of the details that we look for. The opportunity along with the record ID and account, primary contact, what's the Stripe customer, Stripe payment link, URL, then payment link record in Salesforce, task, email. If you look for the payment link record, you will see that all the details has been automatically populated. It's related to account and opportunity. The relevant information are available here. If the customer goes and make the payment, then this Stripe payment record is going to be changed to paid, and then there would be a payment transaction record that will automatically get generated. All these things is basically being done with the help of Salesforce MCP servers and Headless 360. If you want to understand about Salesforce MCP servers and Headless 360, you want to unlock the full potential, understand what could be the capabilities, what could be the business use cases, join our program, the next cohort that is going to be start on August 3rd, 2026. Do not wait for the companies to put this Headless 360 and MCP server as a mandatory requirement into their job posting. Go ahead, register for the cohort, and we will see you there.